Welcome to our channel. Today we how to pay your AT&T bill online. Secure login and payment step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone or computer and make sure you are on a trusted internet connection. Type AT&T.com into the address bar and press enter to go to the official AT&T website. Look for the sign-in option at the top of the page and click it. Select the account type that matches your service, such as wireless, internet, or AT&T prepaid. If prompted, enter your AT&T user ID and your password in the sign-in fields. If you forgot your login details, use the Forgot User ID or Password link and follow the recovery instructions. When asked, complete any two-step verification by entering the code sent to your phone or email. After signing in, check that your name and account details look correct to confirm you are in the right account. Go to the billing section or choose View Bill, depending on what you see on your dashboard. Find the Pay Bill button and click it to start the payment process. Confirm the bill amount due and check the due date so you know exactly what you are paying. Choose whether you want to pay the full balance or enter a different amount if partial payments are available for your account. Select your payment method, such as debit card, credit card, or bank account. If you are using a card, enter the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing zip code carefully. If you are using a bank account, enter the routing number and account number exactly as shown on your checks or bank app. Review the payment date and choose Pay Now or schedule a future date if that option is offered. If you want faster future payments, enable auto pay only if you are comfortable with recurring charges. Double-check the payment summary, including the amount, account, and payment method, before continuing. Click Submit Payment or Confirm to authorize the transaction. Wait for the confirmation screen to load and do not refresh the page during processing. Take a screenshot or write down the confirmation number for your records. Check your email or text messages for a payment receipt from AT&T. Return to the billing page and verify that your balance shows as paid or that a pending payment is listed. If the payment does not appear, allow a few minutes and then refresh the billing page once. For extra security, sign out of your AT&T account when you are finished. If you used a public computer, clear the browser cache or use private browsing next time to protect your information. If you see any suspicious activity, change your password immediately and contact AT&T support through the official website. Repeat these steps each month to stay current and avoid late fees or service interruptions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.